So on a driving lesson today, we saw this vehicle that was on an actual test. I believe it was not with an instructor. It was bringing their own car up, and this is what we saw happen. And I want to break it down here to say this might have been a foul or this might not have been a foul. It depends. So they're in the right lane to go right, but as they come round, they stay in this lane when really it's much better to get over to the right. Now, as long as they had good mirror checks, I mean, you can see the gap there, and then they go over, that potentially wouldn't be a foul. But the managing the risk is low there because if this was busier, wasn't on a bank holiday, then this potentially could have been a foul.